Hi friends, today I'm discussing MySQL classes. I share my screen. So today's topic is MySQL classes. Topic MySQL classes. If anybody knows the MySQL classes, please feel free. Text me a message. What is the classes? What is the need of classes in MySQL tutorials? Just I want to say something about the MySQL classes. In MySQL classes, classes concept is is a core concept. It deals with the MySQL views. It's having with the database operations or else functions where that data retrieve, filter, modify in a database. In MySQL, classes having with some operations. So like update, delete, insert, and select in a field of a database. As you as we know the MySQL classes under MySQL where class, MySQL limit class, MySQL district class. Fourth one is MySQL ordered by class. Fifth one is MySQL group by class. Sixth one is MySQL having by class. I just want to tell you something about one information. Keep it in mind. Group by class, having by class, I will discuss in aggregative functions class because we are using aggregative functions in these scenarios. That's what I'm talking. After I will discuss group by classes, having by classes in this class of aggregative functions. Today onwards, we discussed where class, limit class, district class, ordered by class, group by classes. So if anybody knows where we are using MySQL classes are where condition. If anybody knows, ping me a message. Feel free. If it is wrong, I don't talk. This is wrong. This is right. Feel free. I agree with your answer, so you don't worry about that. If anybody knows the where class, where we are using where class, you can text this comment box. Don't worry about that. It simply say that where we are using. So I draw the little bit information of diagrammatic level. First where class. In this scenario, already some tables existed in the database. I want to need some updations like in this where class, we have to use in if conditions of a programming language. Just like in Java, we have to use some if functions, if conditions. Like I need some thing of word, just like already existed in a table of a database. Serial number, name. I draw the table, suppose A, serial number 1, A, 2, B, 3, C. So this is the table in available database. So I need serial number 1 to the output of a database. Output of a database. I need one. That time we use the class of where class. That time we are using a where class in the syntax of MySQL. Just like include second one is limit class. So limit class means used data available are stored in my MySQL database. I want to need just like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on 100. And so on 100. 100. So I want to need some little bit first four tables. Just I don't want 100 numbers. I need a 3 number. That time we use limit. Just like we are using limit class. Even we are using duplicates. Ignoring duplicate classes after. Duplicate fields also. Fields also. Third one is district. This class where we are using just like unique values. I want to need unique values of a database. That time we use district. Just like a unique class. I want to need unique database. That time we use district class and ignore duplicates. I forgot to say just like limit is like to get the values in limit and also ignoring limit values. At large data set. And fourth one is ordered by class. Ordered by. I want to need before that I'm discussing ordered by class having two operations where the conditions is ascending and descending values. I need ordered the condition. We have to use I need order way of fields 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 in a database in a table of a database. It have two operations where ascending and descending. I need ordered way 1, 2, 3 ABC. We use ascending order 1, 2, 3 ABC. I want so we use ascending order. In reverse way, I want to 3 to 1, 3 to 1 CBA. We use descending order. It simply say that it simply say that whatever the if condition did in programming languages as that same scenario in MySQL where class does. In limit, simply gives simply stored in large database or large table in your database. That time we need specific fields. That time we use this class. Even hiding fields also. So also help. To retrieve the unique values of a database. Unique values of a tables in a database of a fields in a tables. Order means way of flow. Incorrect. As that we do two operations. Where ascending and descending. I just want to need ordered way, we use ascending order. I just want to need written way, we use descending order. Then group by class, having my class, I will discuss in aggregative functions. In PowerPoint presentation, I will discuss just some theory. In this tutorials, I'm discussing MySQL classes. The exact meaning of class, the definition of classes is MySQL classes are the core components of MySQL queries that defines how data is retrieved, filtered, grouped by, and organized from a database. These classes works alongside select, update, delete, and insert queries to refine results and ensure efficient data handling. These are classified under like where class, limit class, distinct class, ordered by, group by class, having class. Group by class, having class, I will discuss in aggregative function because we use in this group by having class where the aggregative function, that's what I will discuss in later. So where class, we know that the SQL select command is used to fetch records from a MySQL table. I discussed diagrammatically, we need to have some conditions, if condition that's needed. In addition to that, we can also use the conditional class. In programmatic level, we use if conditions, that kind of information where we are using where class in conjunction with the select statement to filter out the results. Using the where class, we can specify and selection criteria to select the required records from the table. In syntax is select field 1, field 2, field n. Field means whatever we are inserting in table, that is called field. Of table name, table 2, where condition under and or condition 2, whatever we are using operations also in this class. Then limit class, huge database available here. I want to need some little. I need first 4 where we are using I need 1 2 3 4, just like I want to need a nickel output. That time we are using a for limit. I ignore 1 comma 3, like I don't want Dev and Nikhil. So we are writing here like this: select a name from students, limit 1 comma 3. Output will 2 2 4 5 6 7. So the limit class in MySQL can be used to specify the number of records to return. This class is mostly used when dealing with tables that have thousands of records. It accepts one or two arguments. The values of both arguments should be either be positive, integer, or zero. Then distinct class in MySQL where select statement to return the distinct values means unique values from a single or multiple columns in a table. It ignores all the duplicates values present in the particular column and returns only one distinct values. We can use this class in various scenarios such as identifying unique customer names, unique customer IDs, etc. It can be combined with the clauses such as where, ordered by, and grouped by to filter the data for this. The syntax of distinct is select a distinct column 1, column 2, and so on column n, where the table underscore name, where the condition is operational. Then the next class is ordered by. In MySQL, ordered by class is used to sort. Sort means inserting one or more columns of a table in provide order. I want to need some orders. That time we use order. That can be either ascending means standing position means 1 2 3 4. Descending order means 4 3 2 1. By default, it sorts the columns ascending order if the sort order is not specified. Syntax. Look like this: select the column list from table name, order by column one. So this is the PowerPoint presentation. I simply say that of where limit district, I want to need some if conditions, like I want to need output less than or greater than or equal to, where these conditions we are using where class. Limit means I want to need some specific records. We are using limit. I ignore something, we are using limit. Distinct means unique one. I want to need unique values. We are using distinct. Order by, I want to need ordered way. Ascending orders. I want to need 1 2 3. ABC. We are using ascending. I need 3 2 1. CBA. I need. We are writing here descending order. C. We have to write in programmatic level. MySQL. Enter my password. Naga 9295 @enter. The connected MySQL server. Just I want to show how many databases stored in MySQL server. Show databases. Okay. Already I had created some customers table in Nagaraj-Galam database. So select Nagaraj-Galam. So show tables. So customers table. So select star from customers. So seven fields had stored in customer table where ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, Ramesh, Kilan, Kaushik, Chaitali, Hardik, Harshita, Mufai, age, even address also. So now I'm writing where condition. Where condition means some if conditions. So question is in this table. So in this table, I want to need 23 greater than 23 years age. List out. Search. So query is select star from customers table where the condition where age age greater than 23, like this, right? Select star from customers where age greater than 23, right? So I'm inserting same query in MySQL server. 23 means greater than no 27, greater than 27. It output gives 32 and 35. Let's see, select star from customers where age greater than 27. I give 27. So greater than means 32, 35. Enter. First record 32, 7 record 37. Because the condition is greater than 27. So less than 2, 3, 4, 6. Equal whatever the conditions will do, whatever the conditions are executed in programming language as the same scenario. So wrong syntax. Now salary. I take salary where the salary is greater than 5k. So how many members having with the highest more than 5k? 3 members. So these times we are using where condition. The second one is limit. So the question is same. In this, I want to need two tables only. So I'm looking. Select star from customers. Limit 1. So say so 7 records stored in customer table. I want to need 4 records. Just I give you output. I want to need output having with only 4 records. That time we are using limit condition. Select start from customers limit 3. But so some gap. I'm not having gap. That's what all records give anomaly here. So here now limit. I ignore 3 comma 4. That time we are using use limits. 3 comma 4. Holding 3 comma 4 records, remaining records will give the output. Look at this. 3 before that. 1 comma 2 comma 3 holding because I hold 3. And the 4 I give a 4, even 4 also. So 4, 5, 6, 7. I give the 4, 5, 6. I'm holding 1 comma 2. It's holding one record. 2 records having 2 comma 3. So I want to need some simple two record. I need 2 records. Holding, I need 4 records holding 3. Just like observe this, it means 4 means so in this table limit means gives the one value limit 1 gives just like holding 3 records only limit 3 first 3 records. I'm adding 3 values like one more value 3 comma 4. It means 4 means it give enabled or else output having 4 values holding 3. This is holding, this is gives just like holding 1 gives 2. I need 2 record. That's what I'm looking for. 6 suppose holding 2 look like this. So 2 means first 2 holding because whatever I give a number in before starting limit, this is holding. Whatever I give after commas, it gives enabled output. Whatever I ask in 6, it gives the 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 to 5. 2 comma 6 overall. So holding 1 comma 2, remaining will give the output. Look like 5. Gives only 2 because I'm holding 5 values. Holding 5 values. Starting 6. The next one is distinct. Distinct means unique values. Where the distinct class in MySQL is used with select statement to retain the distinct values means unique value from single or multiple columns in a table. Whatever I ask. The syntax is select star from customers having with 7 records. I select only address. Or insert any duplications look like this. Address Ahmedabad, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Bhopal, Hyderabad, ignore. So I'm updating some one value. Update update customers where set address equal to Hyderabad where ID equal to 3. Hyderabad mistake. So I updated one more 6 1 also. Update customer set address equal to Hyderabad where ID equal to 6. So Hyderabad. So some unique values is here. So executing a distinct value. First select address one. Select ADDRE address from customers. Ahmedabad, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Indore. So I am using a distinct class. Select distinct. So here now duplicates ignored. Hyderabad repeated. Now only one Hyderabad number. So distinct value gives only unique values ignoring duplicates. It simply say that return the distinct values, unique values from a single or multiple columns in a table. It ignores all the duplicates values present in the particular column and return only distinct value. So ignoring duplicate values gives all unique values. So Ahmedabad, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bhopal, Sindhu, everything single values means unique values. So next one is ordered by class. Ordered by class is like ordered in a table of fields, either ascending or descending orders. By default, it stores columns ascending orders. Where we are using this scenario, select a star from customers group ordered by name. So everything ordered means order. So 7 records is here. So first now select star from customers order by names. Just like alphabets calculated because I'm asking names for alphabetics. So it clear. A B C D E F H I J K L M N O P Q R. So this is the order for alphabets. Even address also same. ABDHHIM. So we are using ascending order. In ordered way. Descending order, spelling mistake. Look, observe this. Ascending order means top to bottom. Descending order means bottom to top. Look like this. C H H H 4 5 6 7. This is ascending. R is like last. So here now R is first. So ascending means top to bottom. Descending means bottom to top. That's all about today's class. Tomorrow's class we discussed operations of MySQL. Thank you. Bye bye.